Okay, here's my FF15, which I've stated before is maybe not the best made out of these. You can see I have the top off. Did put a hydraulic thumb on it. I don't know what brand it is, but whatever this hydraulic thumb is, it will not go all the way up out of the way. So if that's an option and you have to pay a little more, if you have the money, I would do that. Here's what I told you the video is about. I've got this fan. I bought the 12-inch fan off of Amazon. I got Rev for some stupid reason, but I bought the 12-inch because each of the fans are 80 watts. I thought running two 7-inch fans would be too much electricity for the system. My intention was to mount the fan here, but it just didn't work out. So I had an epiphany. The fan is in here. It's solid. It is not going anywhere. And I just got it zip tied on each side to the dampeners. And that's it. It's not going anywhere. If you want to change your oil, cut the zip ties. It takes, once I figured out how to do it, you can slide it in there and put in both zip ties in under 5 minutes. It's very easy. There's no reason to move it. It doesn't wiggle. But it is really putting a ton of air on the engine, having the bigger fan right here on the blades, the cooling blades. So this, I'm sure you've seen in other videos, it's just the ground. And man, that's a ton of air. And you just see what went to the positive side of the battery here. Got some regular little connectors. And that's it. It's just in with zip ties, and I don't think it's going to be a problem. If that's too chintzy for you, I totally get it though. But this to me looks like maximum airflow for the least amount of electricity right onto the motor. Good luck, y'all. And one more thing, I'm sorry I forgot to include. When you're getting to the positive side of the battery right here, it is super sketchy. Everything around that is metal and it's in a tiny space. So I got my little 12 and I taped over the whole thing except for the end with duct tape, which I mean electrical tape will be better, but duct tape will work fine. And that way you can work in here and not worry about shorting this thing out, starting a fire, and you know, all the exploding. Good luck, people.